Welcome, guys. Welcome to today's session. And today we are going to see how we can move to any particular version. In case, let's say, for example, let's take a very simple example. Let's say this is your version 1, which you have created. So basically, version 1 is nothing but the first commit which you have created on your local repository. Okay, let's say your first commit, you have your first commit as commit 1. Now, after some days, you again created a second commit on your local repository. So what you do, you did commit number 2, which we can say is a version 2. Similarly, we will do a version 3, which is again a local repo and commit number 3. Right. Similarly, you have multiple commits. Okay, I will not stick to 3 or 4 or any number of commits. Now, let's say you are on nth commit, let's say version you are on version number 15. Okay, so local repo, it's there in the local repo and it's a commit is also 15. Okay, now after this 15th, suddenly your clients comes and say that, okay, I want to move to this number version number 2. This is what I need to do. I need to move through this version number 2 here. From 15th version, how to move to version number 2? Because my head would be on 15th. Head is the basically the latest version or latest work which I am doing is basically on 15th version. I want to move to second version. In that case, how we can move to the second version? Let's see that. Okay. For this, what we are going to do is we are going to so I'm starting it very fresh. So let's open Git Bash. Okay. Git init. I will initialize the Git from here. Okay, let me create some files. So I will just create or I will use a cat command or index or we can say file1 dot text. Okay, I'm just writing hello world exit. Now if I do a git status, this file is there in my working directory. Let me put this file into my staging area. Let me now add this file from my staging area to my local repo. I will just put first commit. Okay. Similarly, if you do a git status now, you will see nothing is there. So basically what we have done, we have created a single file. We put it to the local we put that particular file to our staging area. Then from the staging area, we have put that file to our local repository. Let me add some more or let me add some more content to the same file. What was the file name? File1, right? Okay, file1.txt. Yes, hello world. I will just add some more content. I This is second content. Okay, I'm adding this. The previous one was the first content, and this is the second content. Press escape, colon WQ. You can see at the bottom. Press escape. Then automatically when you write this, you will see colon WQ is basically save and exit. Q is quit here. Okay. Now, if you even do file1.txt, you will see this content is showing up here itself. This is the second content. Perfect. Now, after this is done, after this cat file1.txt is done for us, what we are going to do, we are going to write cat, sorry, we are again, if we do a git status, you will see this is being modified. Git add again file1.txt so that it can go into the staging area. Git commit hyphen m first, sorry, second comment we can put it, second commit we can put it. Now if you do again, if you do a git status, there is nothing in the branch. Now after this is done, okay, let me again make some changes. Okay, so text, sorry, file1 dot text is there. And now press I will just add this is the third content. Okay, colon wq. Git add dot is basically add dot is in my current directory. All the files need to go to the staging area. Okay, git commit hyphen m. The third commit will come up here. Okay, so what it will do, it will also commit, like it will put this particular file and put the third commit. It will create the third commit and the third version would be created this time. Now, if you do a git log one line, you will be able to see the log report. Log report, what does the log report do? Log report shows you all the commit IDs, all the commits which you have done. So see, first commit, second commit, and the third commit. Okay, three commits I have done it. So if you move here, I will show you. This is the third commit. This is the second commit. So if I want to move to the second commit, this would be removed. But if I go to the first commit, these both would be removed because after the second, the third commit was done. So let's check it out. Let's suppose I want to move to this first commit. Copy this. Okay. So git log one line, git log hyphen hyphen one line. You will see this commit ID is coming up. Now git commit or git checkout. Use the checkout command and this is a commit ID which you have to put in here. Enter. Okay. Now let me just do a cat and check what exactly happened to my file. Okay. Enter. See, everything is there. Everything is there. Okay, the third content is also there, the second is also there, everything is particularly present here. But now, okay, but if you do a git log one line, you will see it is not, because it is not moved, we have not moved it to my third commit. The reason was I just copied this. Okay, while copying and pasting, I suddenly recognize that I'm doing this mistake, but I just did it so that we can have that clarity that okay, we are at a third commit only, so it will not make any changes. So those who were able to identify it, they are basically listening to this properly. Others, please listen to what I'm saying in a proper way. Okay, git check out, and I will just copy the first commit, paste it. Okay. Now, if I do a cat file one dot text, you will see only hello world is there. Only hello world is there. Two contents are gone. So I have moved to the first commit. Now this, if my client wants a particular first version, I can just easily share the first version with my client. Okay. Now what I will do, I can even add it now. Okay. I add the current version. Okay, and I can do a commit, let's say updated version 1. Okay, add detached to nothing to commit. Perfect. Now if you do a git log one line, you will see we are moved to the first commit itself. Okay, now let's suppose if you want to move to the second commit, can we do it? Let's see. Git log, okay, or git checkout and see if we can move to the second commit. Now git log one line. We have moved to the second commit. Let's see. Yes, we are the second commit now. Right. So we have moved to the second commit. Okay, because you can see here we are at this particular commit ID. That's the reason why this is happening up. Okay, we have moved to the commit ID. That's the reason why this is happening up here. Okay. Okay, that's all. Thank you.